Okay, so when you're camping, the reason why I like the dehydrated stuff is because it's just less weight. Water's been cooking for a while. So it says 1 3/4 cups. Now keep in mind that this whole cooking set, this little sterno setup, the cooking set's the 3-piece backpack cook set by Ascend. I got this at Cabela's, but I also saw the same brand at Walmart. Walmart does sell the sterno kit or something very similar. And this whole setup, I got everything's less than 30 bucks, and it will last quite a bit. And you could probably get your cost down easily under 20. All right, so our hot water is looking pretty good. I'm just going to estimate 1 3/4. Basically, once I see the liquid sort of getting to the top there, let's close this off. So we're just going to let this sit for like 5 minutes. Put that over there. Sounds like a whole bunch of motorcycles coming into this national park, which is interesting. It's a pretty quiet place. So I'll put some little more water into my coffee. There are leftovers. So I like to just use the lid here, and I will just very carefully put that on top. And now the sterno's out. That's that simple. It's pretty, it's a little hot. You take the can out. So this just sort of undoes there. Let's make sure I can put this back to where it was. Woo! Be careful. It gets hot. Smooth. That was the grill part that was hot, by the way. So, and let's see. Okay, it goes like that, I think. Let's see. Let's get this so it folds up. There we go. So, looks like, yeah, it doesn't fold backwards, so it just folds up. Into that. So let's put this over here. Okay, so this is the bigger pot. Remember I told you there's a little sticker that they put inside? So you have to wash this out before you use it. Okay. So this just sort of sits in like that. There's that. So just kind of bring the bag around it. As you can see, just let down. So there you go. These 3 things. This right here. It's a little kit. Okay, so that's fast and easy coffee, a little bit of cooking, whatever you want to do with hot water. I personally, in my dishes, I just use them for water, and I do not put food in them. I put food in something else, and then I add the hot water to it.